Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to a new video on Compound. This is going to be quite an extensive analysis because Compound right now, when we're talking about cryptocurrencies, as one of the most, one of the most beautiful market structures, I would say. If you love analyzing, you love technical analysis, then this absolutely looks beautiful. So I'll tell you about that. But given that particular structure, we're also right now at a crucial point of time where we are either validating that structure or where we are starting some sort of a new structure, and where we are arguably even in a reversal. All right. So that's what we'll talk about. I know a lot of you are holding / trading Compound, so that's why I wanted to make an update on it. So that's what we'll do. Now, before we dive into that, if you are interested in trading, and you also want to receive some daily trading signals, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, as you can also see from the banner at the top. But for now, let's just get started with Compound. So most of you that have already watched my analysis on Compound, if you haven't, welcome to the channel. But if you have, you know that the market structure in my eyes is as following, right? So we started on the 25th of June. I do think the whole reason for this move is a little bit shady. I do think there's manipulation, and that's also why I think at some point of time we'll see a reversal. But the market structure is beautiful. Like, we had those 5 waves right here, quick ABC correction, 5 waves to this resistance level, which is a very strong resistance level. That's also one of the key reasons why I think a reversal could have already occurred, but that's what we'll talk about a little bit later. And then what we're seeing right now is that we had another correction wave right here, ABC, bam, down to $69. And right now we are either, like, this could also be the start of some sort of a new impulse wave down, right? That it's a possibility. It doesn't look beautiful, but it's a possibility. Or this is the start. So that would be the case for a reversal, or this is the start of a new impulse wave up to potentially like 95 and potentially even $100. That's not that far from 95. But that's the main question. And I would say, and I would actually love to change this key level a little bit, but I would actually say that all depends. All right, let me just do this. That depends on how the price will react on the very, very short term. All right, so right now, what's happening is that there's actually there hasn't been that much price movement in this in the last couple of days. We've basically just moved kind of within this range between I would say $76 and then here $70. We had a minor bearish breakout, but that didn't mean too much. So now the biggest thing for me is which breakout will we see first. All right, so this is the box we're in. If we can actually get a bullish breakout right here, above $76, then it's more likely that we're actually starting another impulse wave up. So that will get up to $88, $89, and then from there, like I said, probably even up to $198, which is just above this key level right here. But it's a major psychological level, so that always has some sort of a magnet attached to it. So yeah, then we'll start something like this. But on the other hand, if we cannot break above that $75, $76 level, which is in itself, it's tough. It's a big psychological level. It also has some strong technical levels. So if we find resistance there again, and we drop down below this level right here at $70, which is also a strong psychological support level, so we're really wedged in between two strong levels. If we break down below that, we'll just get a bearish breakout, and then arguably we'll drop down to 70 or 64, 62. But then arguably you have reversed, like you have already retraced too far. You have retraced to almost the top of that first wave of the last impulse waves, which I would say is too far. And then you can argue that we are starting some sort of an impulse wave down, and therefore that we have started a reversal. But like I said, that's something we'll just see over the course of today probably. We'll just have to wait for which level, $76 or $70, breaks first. So I'll keep you updated on that. Very interesting. I think there's lots of good trades to be made, but that's my take on it. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.